At our center, we have particular people who are assigned to certain children.
Right.
Although, if a child wants to
the
interact with other people at the center,
Great,
of course
right.
we allow.
Yeah.
You know, we
Yeah.
let them do that, and we encourage that.
I was just wondering, whether or not they become attached to one particular person and they don't want to communicate with anyone else.
Right.
Do they have trouble usually
Yeah.
when they're being dropped off by their parents? I mean, when the parents sort of leave them there, is that usually an issue? Or?
Yeah, with some children, you know, it really depends on how aware the child is, and if they want to be at home, or if they'd rather be at the center, or if it's a brand new, activity for them. If they've just started coming to the center, some children will have more difficulty.
Now you start from what age until what age?
We work with children as young as 18 months, 2 years old.
The earlier the better.
You know,
The better.
it is early
Can you
intervention.
diagnose it though at the ages of like
2 months?
Professionals would
18
be able
months
to.
or really?
Professionals would be able to tell.
What's the youngest you can probably find out?
In the States, they've started at about 1+, I think.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
about 18 months, I would say, in the States. But most children probably don't receive treatment
Yeah.
until, age 2.5.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
But here, most of the children, like parents only really realize, I think, when it's almost time to go to school. Because then suddenly, they can't go to school. So then, and because Malaysians, I think, as Asian culture, we're kind of more concerned about academics and school being the main priority.
So socializing fades into the background.
Right, whereas it is actually one of the most important things, like play
Well, of
and
course,
socialization
yeah.
needs to really start right from the beginning. The other thing that we also do is we actually provide home-based programs.
So you will actually go to the
Yeah.
where they're in a more
Okay,
comfortable
so-
environment,
Yeah,
right? Does that
exactly.
help as well? I mean, I imagine that sense of security must help.
That helps, and also because then they learn how to adapt in their own home as well.